I'm going to use Hostinger to set up my VPS because it's affordable, plus they have a one-click install for OpenClaw, which makes the whole process a lot easier. If you want to follow along and set up your own VPS through Hostinger, make sure to sign up using the first link down below in the video description. By using that link, you'll get an extra 10% discount on your VPS plan. Once you're here, go ahead and select the KVM2 plan and click on Deploy. For the payment period, I'm going to choose 12 months and click Continue. Then enter your email address, choose a password, and click Register. Enter your billing address and click Continue. And finally, enter your payment info and click Submit Payment. On this step, first click on the eye icon to show the OpenClaw Gateway token. Then copy this token and paste it into a text document so we can use it later. And make sure not to share this with anyone. Next, we need to get an API key for the language model that we want to use with OpenClaw. In this video, I'm going to use Claude from Anthropic, but if you prefer any other model from OpenAI, Gemini, or xAI, feel free to add your API key for any of those. I leave links to get your API key for each option down below in the video description. To get the Anthropic API key, first log in to your Claude dashboard, then click on Get API Key, give it a name, and click Create API Key. Copy your key, then go back to Hostinger and paste it in here. Once that's done, go ahead and add any other API keys that you want and then click Deploy. And this will take you into the Hostinger Docker Manager. Once OpenClaw has been successfully deployed, it'll say running with the green checkmark. To get to your OpenClaw dashboard, click on the drop-down arrow here and then click on this link. Here, you want to paste in the OpenClaw Gateway token that you have saved before and click Login. This should take you to your OpenClaw dashboard. And when we go to Overview, we can see that the Gateway token is entered and the status is connected.